Hi, welcome to LunaView. I'm John, and this is my latest model car. It's kind of a documentation. I just want to have something there that I can see the car when I want to see, not dig it out of the box. So it's the 1967 Pontiac GTO. Came out of that box behind it. The paint was from an old can, from about 15 years old, and with expected results, and had the future clear on it, kind of cleaned it up a bit, and that's about it. This car is basically box stock. Did a little bit of extra in there, not a whole lot. This is kind of the weekend warrior car box too, so it didn't fit so well. And the bumper in the back, and this side here looks like a lowrider. So stance looks really bad, and it's all connected in the back. It just goes down on this side, not on that side. I try to adjust it, and then it comes apart. So there's that. So from this side, it looks fine. I opened up the holes up there in the hood and the engine. I had put Pontiac blue in there for the block. Yeah, that's about it. That comes off nicely. Anyway, yeah, call the trim on it. It's been painted, taped it off on the bottom there, and just went around with a pin around the edge of the windows and stuff. But yeah, it's just this very simple kit. I didn't wire it or anything like that. The actual engine was actually kind of thin for, drilling into it and expecting, it will come apart or something. But anyway, this is our Pontiac kit. Very best. Till next time.